10,000 subscribers. What a great milestone. I'm Ash from DroningON, and I started this channel just over 2 years ago, and I started it basically as a hobby, as an interest, and also to tell the people that follow me what's going on in the drone world, reviewing the latest products, the latest racing drones, equipment, training, tips and tricks, and more. And it's really paid off, because to see that and that kind of level of interaction that I get on my videos really makes me proud. Putting together these videos is hard work. It's also really time consuming. Many hours are spent editing these videos in Adobe Premiere, cutting, splicing, mixing, redubbing, adding extra audio and even some sound effects. And then of course, even when the video goes live, responding to every single comment. And I genuinely do try to do that, because I know that it takes time for you guys to comment, and the least I can do is reply. As a thank you to all of those subscribers on my channel, I'm giving away a drone. Now, I'm not Casey Neistat. I can't afford to give away a DJI Mavic, not that he's ever given one away either. But what I will give away is one of the best Mavic clones that I've reviewed over the last few years. Now, as a drone pilot, you're basically hands off the controls and it hovers there on the spot. The best thing that you can do is learn how to fly manually, or as we call it in the DJI world, ATTI mode. These basic training drones are brilliant for learning how to fly in case the autonomy of your main drone fails. To enter, simply comment below with what you'd like to see me talking about or reviewing on this channel next. So I'll announce the winner in a week's time, and there'll be a video to give that name away. Now, what you won't see are daily videos from me talking about nonsense or fake news. This channel's all about quality, not quantity. So if you do see a new video from DroningON, it's going to be worth watching. Anyway, just again, thank you very much for the 10,000 plus subscribers that are helping this channel to be what it is today. Without further ado, let's look at some outtakes. Well, move over, fat boy. There's a much smaller, prettier charger in town. Well, move over, fat boy. There's a new and much prettier charger in town. Why the f does it keep doing that? Next box. Now, this feels so light, I could believe there's nothing inside it. And there isn't. Well, move over. Well, move over, fat boy. There's a new and much prettier charger in town. F controller, which has also got an inbuilt, inside the main stack here. We've got an F. We also feel sorry for those that have. We also feel sorry, of course, for those that have. We also feel sorry, of course, for those that have booked to travel out. Well, move over, fat boy. There's a much prettier. This lens has problems, hasn't it? And the reception is not bad. Now, in terms of the VTX, bollocks. Let us know what sort of videos you'd like to see. And if you have a Mavic, comment. And also our voltage is getting a bit low, so let's bring it back in. Oh, okay, let's try that again. But we're gonna take you through a series of setup steps that you must do first. I love the size of this, especially for line of sight. You know, you can't miss it. Oh, shit. By design, and it's to avoid vibrations when you're flying. So now I can hear a dog, and I hope that dog goes away very soon. You've got the lovely LED lights underneath as well. Why is it not powering up? Oh, I can hear a dog right by my head at the moment. Hope he goes away. Okay, now it is windy, and I'm trying my best to keep this thing. Whoa! This is not a flying aircraft for using when there's a little bit of wind. Oh, shit. Ever been out with your Mavic Pro and wanted a way to charge up to 2 batteries simultaneously quicker than any other method currently available? Fuck. Indeed. Oh, shit. That'll be a treat. So in from GearBest is the next in the massive. Oh, so next in from 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Rotate it around and go through the doors. Oh, okay. These are Gem fan props and they are 5152 4. No, they're not. What does that button do? This is a heavy battery, so I've not got tons of poke on the punch there. Ooh. Oh, damn, that's a tree. Got the TrueD module here. Why is it not fucking focusing? Really, without putting the two of them in a... Oh, shit. Come on, you stupid bloody camera. There we go. Okay. So that it doesn't cause as much of an issue for us. Oh! Wow, okay, so it just actually died. And taking the battery out is very easy. Push down the slot there and then slide the whole battery out. That's a stupid design. Click that thumbs up icon if you enjoy the video, and of course, oh shit. That really is a stupid design. There we go. Oh, can't get it out. Oh, this is great outdoors. Look at this. Oh, oh, oh. So here it is. So here it is. Now, very subdued as well. It doesn't feel like you need a major skill set to fly this one. Oh, he says as he crashes into a tree. The props are 3-bladed and they are 1935 props, so just under 2 inches. That's it. Yeah. And that dipole antenna is doing absolutely brilliantly. Now I think I've just adjusted my camera angle via the tree. So thanks, tree, you helped me there. We can now see the props in view.